Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English from first flight book chapter number 3, that is poem, and name of the poem is The Ball Poem, which is written by John Berryman. Poem is about the feeling of loss when we lose the materialistic things, the earthly things, our possessions. Okay, जो भी हमारे प्रॉपर्टीज या हमारे जो भी होता है which we buy from the money, when we lose it, how we feel? We are under a great shock जब हम कुछ lose करते हैं, like हमारे playing things, bicycles, two wheeler, four wheeler, या तो फिर खेलने की जो भी चीजें, if we lose them, we are under a great shock. So through this poem, poet tells us how to come out from that. Okay, so in this poem the poet has given an example of a boy, how he loses a ball, and all his feelings he has shown in the poem. So we are going to see the poem. I want you to open your textbook first flight to page number 46. I am going to read the meaning now. Glossary. Oh, there are other balls means the words suggest that the loss is not important enough to worry about. Shaking grief means sadness which greatly affects the boy. Next, rigid means stiff, matlab firm. Next, intrude on means to enter a situation where one is not welcome. Next, a dim means 10 cents. Next, desperate means hopeless. Next, epistemology of loss means understanding the nature of loss, what it means to lose something. And the last, epistemology means the Greek word episteme means knowledge. Epistemology is the study of the nature of knowledge. किसी चीज के बारे में स्टडी करना, नॉलेज निकालना, उसे कहते हैं एपिस्टेमोलॉजी. Okay, now I am going to read the poem and after that I am going to explain it. Okay, what is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over there it is in the water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaken grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. I would not intrude on him a dime, another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. People will take balls. Balls will be lost always, little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days, how to stand up, is written by John Berryman. So poem is in this way. One day a boy was playing near the harbor. Harbor is a place near the sea, the seashore. Samundar का जो किनारा होता है, it is called as harbor. So one day a boy was playing with a ball at the seashore, at the harbor. When he threw up the ball, then it went down the street, and the boy started running back to catch the ball, but he couldn't able to catch the ball because it went into the water, and somehow it floated away from the boy. Then the boy was standing near the seashore and he was looking to the ball. It was moving and moving away from him. The boy was trembling. Okay, he was in a very grief. And he was standing over there rigidly, means firmly. वहां से वो हिलना नहीं चाहता था, वहां से वो कहीं जाना नहीं चाहता था, because he was having such kind of attachment with that ball. It might be कि वो उसके लिए काफी सालों से वो खेल रहा होगा, इसीलिए उसको इतना अटैचमेंट था उस थिंग्स के साथ, इसीलिए वो लॉस्ट होने की वजह से वो काफी दुखी था। ही वॉज वेरी मच इन सैडनेस कि आई वॉन्ट दैट बॉल बैक, बट ही कुड नॉट। पानी में वो और ज्यादा आगे जा रहा था समुद्र में, एंड ही वॉज स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर। Author says that, the poet says that poet does not want to help him in this situation. Poet does not want to give him money because two things are there. एक तो ऐसा है कि उसका जो अटैचमेंट था उस बॉल के साथ, अगर पोएट उसे नया दिलवाता है by giving him money, he will not take it. First thing. And the second thing, poet says that poet wants that the particular boy has to learn a lesson. This is the first event of his life where he will learn a lesson how to overcome from the loss of materialistic things, the grief of that, how to come out from that. So poet is not helping the boy over here. It is said that. So further, poet says that money is external or money is eternal. Okay, in the view of the poet, materialist things are going to lose. It is the rule. Okay, it is the plan, it is a basic thing. He says that this is a common thing. You are going to lose the materialistic things. आपने जो पाया है वो खोने ही वाले हो. पोएट के व्यू पॉइंट ये है. So वो चाहता है कि वो पर्टिकुलर बॉय उस चीज को सीखे. The materialistic things, the ball जो एग्जांपल के तौर पे दिया है, he loses it. It is the plan. Okay, it is the rule of the life कि he is going to lose. But he gives stress on the money and he says that though you have lost the ball, you can buy another with the help of money. So money is important over here. He stressed on that thing. And he wants that the boy should come out from that grief. Okay, and as the time passes, the boy understands the importance of the knowledge, and he understands and he accepts it as materialist things comes and go from our life. This is the nature's plan. They come in our life, the materialistic things, and they go, they vanish, they destroy. This is the basic thing. So we should not get that much attached to the earthly things or the materialistic things, whatever we possess. Okay, and then after that the boy comes out from the grief and he walks back. Okay, from that point. And poem over here gets over. How to stand up means that, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आपको खड़े कैसे होना है. यहाँ पर आपको खड़ा नहीं होना है, means when you are in that grief, उस grief में से, उस sadness में से आपको बाहर कैसे आना है, यहाँ पर वो दिया है. ठीक है. And poem in this way overs. Okay students, so that's all for today. Thank you.